Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix FPS drops in League of Legends. Simply the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your League of Legends application or the Riot launcher, and then you want to make sure to click on the update button. Now this will help us get the compatible drivers or the compatible game files that's enabling us to run the game smoothly on our computer. From there, you also want to try to close some background applications. Like this one, I have some multiple tabs open in my computer, which will simply take more resources for my computer. So you simply want to close background applications to allocate more resources to the game itself. Once inside League of Legends, you then want to head over to a game. In my case, I'm going to open up the practice tool right here. And basically inside the League of Legends game itself, you want to navigate through the settings, click on video, and you want to try lowering down your graphics so your computer will be able to handle the game even more. So you can just navigate through the slider. You want to click on something like medium or low. You want to apply the settings for all of these options, and basically you are good to go. Just make sure that you close some background applications like browsers, Discord, CapCut, or something similar. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.